Welcome to the third chapter of Ingress video training series. On this chapter, we will look into the access setup on Ingress software, starting with the doors and floor setup, access level setup, and monitoring of events for standalone access control terminals. To organize the door setup floor by floor, you can add a door group in the software. To add a door group to the software, click on the Add Door Group option. Then enter the name of the door accordingly. To add a door to the door group, highlight the door group name, then click on the Add Door option. Enter the name of the door accordingly. Following the same steps, you can add more doors to the group. Now to assign devices to the doors, select the door name, then click on the Add Device option. Remember that each door can be assigned with maximum 2 devices, one for entry and another for exit. To configure the door setting, select the door name. At the Details tab, click on Edit to be able to make changes to the settings of each door. Permanent door open-close time zone refers to the time interval the door will be left unlocked for access. To be able to add a permanent door open-close time zone to your door, configure a permanent door open-close time zone. Click on the permanent door open-close time zone, then click on the Add Time Zone option. Enter the name of the time zone, then edit the time accordingly. You can have up to 3 intervals for each daily time zone. But remember that the intervals cannot overlap one another. Save the changes and proceed with assigning the permanent door open time zone to the doors. The next option is Full Access Device. In case you want to set your exit device to have the whole day long access, you can select from this option. Go on the Full Access Device option, click on the None button, and select from the devices that you have added to the door. The next option is Entry Device. Entry device is for in and out transactions. In case you want the transactions for your in to be selected from your in device and your out transactions to be selected from your exit device, select the device at this option accordingly. Lock open duration refers to the amount of time that the lock will be released upon verification of the user on the terminal. You can select this option and synchronize this setting to your device accordingly. Alarm delay, however, refers to the amount of delay time before the alarm will be triggered based on the events that has been set for the door. You can set this option between 0 to 99 seconds for your devices. The next option is Error Times to Alarm. This is for the users to define the number of failed verification for triggering the alarm at the door. You can select between 0 to 9 from this option. The duress setting can be set from the next 4 options that you can see inside the software. If you are using your devices for duress setting, you can select the yes or no option from here. The next important option is the door sensor type. In case you guys are using any sensor type on your door access terminals, you have to select from one of the 3 that is provided inside the list. None refers to no sensor used at the door. Normal open refers to normally open sensor type, and normal closed is referring to normally closed sensor type. Emergency exit. In case any of the devices are to be used as emergency exit, in case you select this option, upon triggering the alarm, the door will be released. You can select this option for your door if you are using it.